Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagraj. Today's recipe is coconut rice. Let's begin the recipe. I'm pouring in the oil. Some mustard seeds. When it's crackling, urad dal, chana dal and few cashew nuts. Reduce the temperature and add red chilies, few curry leaves, pepper and some jeera. Time to add the fresh grated coconut, little salt. Time to add the cooked rice. And the remaining salt on the top of the rice and give it a nice mix. Our coconut rice is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe.